hear the word poem, poetry, you might think it's something heavy, something difficult, something with boring topic, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, rap songs are based on poetry. It means a good rap song must be poetic. So let's create our own rap song. Narrative poem is a poem with a story. Let's create a simple story for our poem. Simple story consists of beginning, middle, and ending. Let's say the story is about a student who is late to school. The beginning will be talking about how he wakes up late. The middle is about how he runs fast to school. And the ending turns out it's Sunday. Pause this video to create your own simple story. Poem is all about pattern, and having the same number of syllables in each line helps making this pattern that makes your poem sounds cooler, especially in rap lyrics. So let's try making just 4 lines in a stanza and make them all to have the same number of syllables. Let's say 8 syllables. Johnny wakes up at 9 a.m. He is surprised and rushes out, skipping breakfast and toothbrushing. He even still in pajamas. Pause this video to create your own stanza with 4 lines and 8 syllables in each line. Poem is usually divided into stanzas or groups of lines. And since our simple story is divided into beginning, middle, and ending, let's make 3 stanzas for our story. Remember, each stanza should consist of 4 lines and 8 syllables in each line. Johnny runs like he is cheetah, crashing people, ramming lampposts, in a hurry, seeing nothing. He almost stepped on an old man. Johnny finally reaches school, busting the classroom door open. When he sees nobody inside, he realizes it's Sunday. Pause the video to create your own second and third stanzas. The last touch to make your poem more awesome is to put rhymes. That means change the words so that for each line, the ending sounds the same, even though it is written differently. Like a nice pattern. Remember, try to keep the same number of syllables in each line. I use Google to find words that rhymes. You use it too. Why not? I will change this into Johnny wakes up at 9 a.m. He thought that his alarm was jammed, skipping breakfast of bread and ham, out in pajamas like a champ. I change this into Johnny runs like he is cheetah, crashing people and lampposts all. Jump over a man with guitar. He steps on a poor old man, bruh. Okay, this rhyme is kind of forced, but hey, all is fair in rhyme making. As Eminem, I change this into Johnny finally reaches school, though his cheeks are still stained with drool. Then a fact hits him like a bull. It is Sunday, there's no school, fool. Pause the video to change your own stanzas into new stanzas that have rhymes. Now, slap some sick beat on it. Hit it! Johnny wakes up at 9 a.m. He thought that his alarm was jammed, skipping breakfast of bread and ham, out in pajamas. like a jam. Johnny runs like he is cheetah, catching people and lampposts. Jump over a man with guitar. He stepped on a poor old man. Bruh, Johnny finally reaches school, though his cheeks are still stained with drool. Then the fact hits him like a bull in his Sunday. There's no school. Fool. Now it's your turn.